two. Right, and then you lose.
Thank you. Yes, family. Yes, family. Yes, family. What's the word? What's the word? Let's go. Let's go. Decided to hop on with you guys this morning. Take a look at the markets. Finish the week out strong. Let's get it. Let's get it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I see we got Ram in the house. What's the word? Macau, how you doing? Tony in the building. King City. I see you. Damon off the ground. OTG, what's up? Kyrie in the building as well. What's going on, family? Good to see you guys here, man. Let's go, man. We live on a Friday with no major news. What is going on, family? But I woke up today and I was like, you know what? Even though we don't got no news, even though I might not place a trade, I don't know. We can still take a look at the markets and see what's the vibes and see what's going on. I could still come on here and educate and entertain y'all. Allow you guys this time to go by a little bit faster, depending on where you're at. So we're going to vibe out today, man. We're going to vibe out, family. I don't know how long we're going to be on here today, but we are going to vibe out. We're going to analyze these markets, see how the markets react over here on Stock Market Open as well, and then see what the market does, you know, closer to 10, and then I'll probably wrap it around 10 o'clock or so, right? But we here, we live, and we going to have a good time, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see, Grand Rising, bro. Abel in the fam. It's the first preseason game tonight. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, and triple yes. Hold on, I gotta look at the schedule because I gotta be more aware. I gotta look at this damn schedule real quick. What time is it? That's at 7:30. Oh my god, tonight we lit. We lit. We facing the Eagles, bum ass Eagles. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Yeah, Tony, it's gonna be a good one. Let's go. How we doing? I'm blessed, man. Let's see. Also, how do you move to break even on futures whenever you get a chance? Yeah, I mean, all you got to do is simply roll your stop loss into profit. Now, if you didn't put a stop loss for whatever reason, then you're going to have to put that stop loss and then roll it into profit. For an example, right, let's say we are looking at this setup right here. I'm not going to actually place the trade, but let's just say hypothetically speaking, right, we were in this position right here. Let me make sure I don't actually get added into this. I'm just going to set it as a, we can set it as a pending order right now. Hold on, let me make sure I don't mess this up. Right, so for an example, let's say hypothetically we are in this trade. Our stop is down here. We simply got to move it. Now, if you didn't place your stop loss and you are in a buy, you are going to have to set the opposite of the current trade for stop loss and take profits. What that means is, for buy stops, if you are in a buy situation, you need to have a sell stop and a sell limit for your orders to get out of that position. Okay, so you have to place a sell stop as your stop loss, as a pending order it. Obviously, it's a pending order. And then once you set that, then you can go ahead and roll your stops to break even, right? So that's essentially how you do it. It definitely is a little bit weirder. I wish it was a little bit easier, you know, especially coming from trading Forex. Like, we actually got TP and stop loss on the screen. It's a lot easier that way, but yeah, with trading futures, man, they make it a little bit more complicated. Whereas you have to literally place the opposite of the order to actually set those orders. Nah, it definitely is a little confusing for sure. All right, let's see. What's going on, Damon? Roman in the building. What's up? Abel live today. Hey, man, listen, I'm feeling good, man. Now, I do got a confession to make with y'all. Do got a confession, and it's kind of embarrassing. Hopefully, you guys don't laugh at me. But I didn't make 100,000 yesterday, unfortunately. Didn't make 100,000, family. That was the goal. I woke up motivated to make 100K, and I didn't make 100K, man. So I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed because I didn't make 100,000 yesterday. It'd be like that though, man. It'd be like that, you know. But let's see what else we got here though. We got Mr. Joel in the building. What's going on, Joel? Good to see you in the chat, man. Let's see. I'm holding gold from 2384. You gotta be trading forex. 2384. That's a crazy move there. King City. That's a wild move, bro. Holy moly. Even more wild if you're trading futures. But ain't no way you've been holding. Nah, it can't be. You couldn't be trading futures. You was trading forex. That's a crazy play. Abel knew I'm lonely, so he came through. Absolutely, Roman. Just for you, big dog. Come on. We got JJ in the building. What's going on, JJ? You that profile picture, man, is just brightening my day, bro. I appreciate you. We got Dom in the house. What's going on? Michael G in the building. Kevin F in the house. What's going on? What's going on? You said the Steelers are about to go, and I was just starting to like you, Macau. Is it Michael? Wait, hold on. I want to make sure I get you guys' name correct. Is it Michael Macau? If it's Michael, drop a 1. If it's Macau, drop a 2. If it's neither, drop a 3. Abel, you're tripping. Please, I hate when I get your names wrong, because people used to always get my name wrong all the freaking time. Used to call me Abel. It was annoying. But Steelers are not about to go crazy, and I say that confidently, and not just because I'm a Ravens fan. I'm just being honest here, man. But what's going on, fam? Appreciate y'all. We got Mike in the building, Michael Lang in the house, man. We got a lot of mics in the building. We usually do have a few little mics, which is cool. We got my brother Matt in the building. What's going on, Matthew? Appreciate you, dog, for being here with us this morning. You kind of abandoned us the entire week, Mike, or Matt. You abandoned us the entire week, Matt. Don't think we forgot that. I'm keeping track of that, bro. But it's okay. You know, last week you gave some powerful Matt strats. We're gonna let it slide. But we be keeping an eye on that. You say Cap? Nah, listen. At the very least, right, the Steelers are not going to win the division. Why? Because I mean, come on now. Is it really debatable? Like, are we really going to have this back and forth about why the Steelers have no chance of actually winning the division? Let alone the entire conference? Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Said Ben busy. I get it. I'm coming to future soon once I learn the contract sizing. Yeah, definitely. I gotta understand that for sure. US 30 going to 38,649. I mean, let's see. 38. I actually, you know what's crazy? I do think we could get some corrections here on the indices as a whole. I mean, we did have a phenomenal day yesterday. Right, the market gave a crazy move. Family, yesterday, if you guys realize, man, all the trades we looked at yesterday went absolutely bonkers. Like, everything we looked at yesterday went in freaking insane. Right, we had trigger line entries for damn near all of our setups. It was a beautiful day, man. The NASDAQ is the one that most of you guys ended up taking, or a lot of y'all ended up taking. Let's see. Yeah, so yesterday, man, this was the setup that a lot of y'all took. Sweep of liquidity, bounce off the 50. Engulfing candle supported. I wasn't supported by volume, but we did get a nice strong engulfing candle back above the trigger line. This thing went absolutely bonkers, bro. Absolutely bonkers. Gold, same thing. Right, gold is another one. Beautiful setup. Again, another sweep of liquidity here. Runner liquidity. Bounced off the 50. Closed back above the 13. Sheesh. Went absolutely nuts as well. Like, that is just like a picture perfect setup, bro. Like, if we can get that setup all day long, bro, I would take that 100 out of 100 times and just deal with what happens. So yesterday was actually really good for a lot of y'all. Y'all was eating yesterday. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't push that damn celebration button, the crowd cheering button, like 30 times, bro. Because y'all was eating too much. Y'all was winning too much yesterday. So Let's see what we got here now. Got effects in the building. What's going on? Good to see you. Steelers got Sierra Wilson. That's dead. Yeah. I hope y'all feeling blessed. I hope everybody's feeling blessed as well, man. I know I am. Do you have contact sizing calculator that you use? Actually, I don't. I don't even pretty sure there might be. I never actually looked into that. Contract sizing calculator, but I will check real quick. Because that honestly could be extremely useful. Futures contract calculator. Here we go. Let me see. Is this the right one? Contract size calculator. There's like this is like an indicator. What is this? Yeah, that's weird. Futures contract calculator. Let's see. I mean, I think we do have one here. Here, try this one. Try this one right here. I think I might have found one that might work. Let me see. Try that one right there. Because that one looks like it could work. Let me show you guys what it looks like over here. Right, from the Forex Scalpers. What a name. The Forex Scalpers. What a brand. You'll never know what these guys do. But I found this one. Bro, I hate when... Bro, why don't y'all freaking have, like, dark mode, bro? Like, these bright screens just irritate me. But look at, they have bullish, bearish. They have the different type of assets. Entry price. Let's see. For gold, let's just make an example real quick. Damn, I look like a damn ghost when the bright ass screens is on. Yeah, just use that one. Let's see, got an ad, just had Tiger blasting in my ear. Bro, they don't even show up anymore. I think they stopped letting me pause the ads. Because normally it at least gives me a warning, like a 60-second timer before ads get sent out. Now it don't even show up no more. So I don't know what's good with that. Let's see, Naz put me up 2,000 yesterday on my first day trading my 100K. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, man. Way to catch that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We was eating yesterday. Yeah, everybody was cooking up yesterday. Okay, what's going on, Shrem? Good to see you in the chat, in the chat. Yeah, I mean, let's see what today does present for us, man. Looking at, I mean, we had a daily trigger line entry, family. When we talking about a swing position, we got a daily trigger line entry, boy. Golly. Why wouldn't we come all the way out, take out the highs now at this point? Like, why wouldn't we for gold? Like, there's no way. I mean, obviously the market gonna do what it wants, right? But like, this type of rebound, it's a beautiful play. Bounced off the 50, closed back above the 13 trigger line. It wasn't really no increasing volume like I would like to see, but not necessarily too bad. We'll see how this does respond though. Obviously, there is always a chance that, you know, this supply zone that we do have up here does hold a little bit of weight and just keeps price down. But yeah, we'll have to see, man. We shall have to see. We shall have to see. I see. Don't really need a calculator to use the long short tool. It shows you the number, amount, 4P, and L. That is an absolute fact. You know what we can do too? Hold on. Let me see. Gemini. Let me see what Gemini could teach us. Let's see. Are you? What's the word, Gemini? How you feeling today? This is an AI I'm talking to. They could be like, what? I'm an AI. I don't have feeling. What's the word, Gemini? Being literal. I'm feeling. All right, cool, man. Are you familiar with the futures market? Of course you are. Yes, I am familiar. A futures contract is a legal agreement to buy or sell a specific asset. So for all y'all that always ask the question, family, what are futures contracts? Literally right here. Right? It is a actual contract. All right, let's see. My fault. My daughter's over here bothering the hell out of me. But yeah, these contracts are traded on organized exchanges. Key characteristics: standardized contracts. Each contract has specific terms. Blah blah blah. Margin trading. Traders only need to deposit a small fraction of the contract of value to open a position. Hedging. Blah blah blah. Would you like to know more? I would like to know the value of each contract for the popular assets being traded. There's no simple answer to the question. That contract size, yeah, that's what we need. Contract size. Here are some examples of power in their contract sizes. So the S&P 500, $250 times the index value. All right, yeah, I don't know. That confused the hell out of me right there, boy. I just confused the hell out of me. But we'll see. All right, fam, let's get back into it, man. Let's see what we got here. Again, long term, I do believe gold does have more upside personally. That's going to be interesting to see. But I'm interested to see what indices will do today, to be honest with y'all. What's the dollar? What has the dollar done? Dollar really hasn't done much over the past week. We had the crazy sell-off on Monday, but ever since the sell-off on Monday, we really haven't done anything. We've just been stuck at this support level, this demand zone right here, just bouncing off of it. Let's see, US 30 had a very strong bullish closure, so did everything else. I would assume that these indices might actually want to continue higher just based off these closes, but you never know. You never know. You never, you never. All right, so this is what I would like to see for indices here, at least for the NASDAQ, right? If we can actually go ahead and break below this low, I think that could be, you know, somewhere in this area we can probably find some demand for sure. Where specifically, I mean, we could start to like highlight obviously certain key levels, you know, that could possibly act as a support. You know, like the obvious one that we see right here is probably just this level. All right, so maybe if we do run that support, we could probably bounce off the 18,200, and then from there maybe seek more upside to see if we can continue with the momentum we experienced yesterday. Right, we did have a very bullish day yesterday. But yeah, I would like to see us come below here though, right? Below 18,322 before I like to look for some longs here on the NASDAQ. Now, there is opportunity to even possibly, again, if you are comfortable with, you know, going with the opposite side too. Again, I think we make our way down here, right? We do have a possible loan candle here on the 15. So there is that chance that we do see something like this, or we spike up, tap that loan candle, and then from there we roll over to go ahead and target all this liquidity built up below there. That's a possibility. All right, I think there's a very, you know, high probability that that does happen. So we shall see. We shall see what the market does decide to do here. Let's see. Learned how to calculate value per tick last night with PineScript. Could write an indicator if really wanted it. Pretty sure the family wouldn't mind an indicator that can help. You know what's crazy? There's actually one right here. Contract size calculator for PineScript. I'm gonna send this in the chat for you, Mike. Take a look at this, right? Because this is when I looked up contract size calculator. They actually sent me code. Like they literally sent me coding so that it shows up here on TradingView. But I don't know. Like it just comes up with this. Like long 55, short 79. I don't know what that means. So you can try to use that code and see what comes up, Mike. See if you could, you know, take bits and pieces of it. But the indicator calculates contract size using several steps. The volatility adjustment utilizing the ATR, the risk calculation for long and short, and the contract size determination. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure you could be able to take some of this and work your magic with it. So there you go. I'll keep you busy for today, Mike. Let's see, we got Free Zone in the building. What's going on, Free Zone? Family, go ahead and smash that like button real quick for me. Go do me a solid real quick and smash that like. Listen, if you guys appreciate that I jumped on here on a Friday, and you guys know I typically don't unless there's major news, can y'all smash the like button for me for one time for that? I could just punch that like button real quick. You know what I'm saying? A little thank you for showing up, Abel. Appreciate you. Entertaining y'all. You guys know me. I'm a very good entertainer at the end of the day. I'm a good trader, educator, entertainer, all the above. Oh. Make sure my quality just look a little choppy right there. Alright, so let's see what else we got here. Rather get rules defined for a valid bounce off the 50. Hey, if you can get us an indicator, bro, highlighting bounces off the 50, that would be crazy. That would be nuts. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, Bitcoin's above 60K now still. I mean, Bitcoin reached all the way up to almost 63 yesterday, or last night, or yesterday actually. Look at my Solana though. Solana ended up reaching up to 163. Polkadot, man, man, you know what we could have did? Just could have been a very quick double up. Just buy Polkadot down here. Would have been up around 40% already. Even though I'm losing a little bit of faith in this girl right here, Polkadot. I'm losing a little bit of faith because she is just completely underperforming. Like, bro, like how are we back to the entry I got in 2 years ago, bro? like that is so disappointing. Like, think about that. Like, I had bought a shit ton of Polkadot 2 years ago down here at around $4. Like, we're literally back at that same exact spot. That's nuts. Right, especially after being up 150%. Yeah, so Polkadot's definitely pissing me off a little bit. Might have to. I don't want to dump her, but I definitely started rolling some of that into Solana. I'm not even gonna lie. But let's see. I'm getting hit with ads every 5 minutes. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this ad situation. Hold on, family. This is how much I care about y'all. I don't really care about the little dollars because I don't really make much anyways. If you guys really want to know, I probably, like right now, I probably make like $4 a stream, $5 a stream, if that. Right, and that's when I let ads run. Right? You know, so $4 a stream, $3 a stream, bro. Actually, you know what? Hold on, let me check my analytics real quick. Do I want to show y'all this? I might, because it's not even that much. Let me see. I got copyrighted out the wazoo yesterday though. Boy, they copyrighted the hell out of me yesterday though. Last night, I got hit with so many copyrights. Thank God it wasn't like a copyright strike. Let's see, revenue. Yeah, I make like $5 a day, family, doing these streams for y'all. So it's definitely not about the money for sure. $5. I mean, hey man, we looking good today though. Wednesday was one of the biggest days, man. Wednesday we was at $22 for the day. Hey man. As of right now, I'm estimated to make about $200 for the month. We take that 200, baby. Come on now. That's paying something. That's paying the internet. $200 for the month off YouTube. Hey man. Come on now. Yeah, we cooking up. We cooking up, fam. I'll show y'all. I really don't care. Right, so this is the analytics from the last 28 days here. I'm estimated to make so far $137. Last month, 184. Just so you guys can know, like really, I ain't making much at all off of this. And I'm definitely not making shit when I don't run the ads. But we had our biggest day in the ads, man. Look at this, $22. Hey, on Wednesday, let's go. And you know what I think played into this $22? Shout out to that boy Austin. Austin, if you in the chat, my brother, your $10 donation is what helped get to $22 here on Wednesday. So again, I appreciate that $10 dono, bro. It definitely helps out, supports the channel. You know what I'm saying? But like, this is literally what it's like, man. Your analytics: $14, $6, $5, $2, $2, $3. Like on Monday, we made $3 on Monday, bro. So, so yeah, a little look into the back end. Now, keep in mind, again, it's a lot harder to monetize YouTube on live stream as opposed to just edited videos, right? It's a lot tougher, a lot harder. But yeah, so let me make sure these ads ain't bothering the hell out of y'all real quick. Hold on. All right, there we go. You guys shouldn't be getting hit with too many ads. All right, but let's see. I run ad block. Sorry, not sorry, but you two got crazy with ad stuff. Listen, if you guys can run the ad blocker, I ain't mad at you because I do too. Because I do too, man. Let's see. But you two got crazy. Yeah, now they do, especially now. Like if I don't know if it just happened over the last 2 weeks, but now the ads that especially on desktop, like if you watch like YouTube on your desktop, boy, like they violate you with ads now. Like now I can't even skip the ads. They're a minute plus long, and there's 2 ads usually back to back. So now I got to sit there for 2 minutes twiddling my thumb looking like an idiot. Like, damn, these people are making money off me just sitting here looking. So, yeah. So I ain't even mad at y'all. Let's see, that's a gallon of gas, bro. Who cares? Let it play. Listen, this is the thing about me, right? I'm more focused on retention than I am actually how much I can make off the stream. Right, because again, whatever I make off YouTube isn't going to change my lifestyle. All right, it is what it is. Right, that's just like extra dollars coming in, extra $200 a month. Hey, cool, man. I'll put that into a crypto or something, right? Or I'll just use that to pay a bill. But I want retention, right? Because if I'm able to help with the retention and keep you guys here focused a lot longer, it's going to help the channel grow, right? And as the channel grows, so will the ad revenue. You know, so I don't care about what I'm making now. I'm trying to focus on retention more so compensation, and that's why I don't care about the ads right now. Let's see, screw it, let the ads run, let us pay for the internet. Oh, that's love, Ram. I love that mindset though, Ram. Let's see, I'm with Ram, let the ads run. Nikki, I appreciate that. That's love. For those of you guys that actually want the ads to run just to support me, you guys are the superstars. I'm not even gonna cap. Bro, you just one of the real ones on YouTube. Not many like you. I appreciate you, Tyson. Tyson, you always been one of the biggest supporters too, bro. I appreciate you so much, bro. Looked at that Pine script code. All it does is ask the user to supply the risk per point. Pointless then. YouTube Premium is essential. I don't know why I don't have it. I've had it. Oh, I think it's because I changed my bank card, so it probably hasn't even been going through. But YouTube Premium is definitely essential the way these ads is running now. Boy, they're not playing games. I see Twitch had 4. Now, you know what's crazy? On those streaming platforms like Twitch or Kick, like you get hit with like 3, 4. You be on ads for like 5 minutes, bro. Like Twitch be violating. They really do be violating, bro. Like they really do. The cool thing about Twitch though, which I don't think YouTube does. I wish YouTube did this, right? If you actually just subscribe and pay $5 a month, you can avoid all ads, right? At least for that specific person that you're watching. Right, so that's pretty cool, right? If you guys, I mean, I don't know if YouTube does that, right? But yeah, on Twitch, let's say you guys came to my channel and you guys just didn't want no ads whatsoever. All you gotta do is pay the $5 a month to support the channel. I earn half of that income off of Twitch, you know, and then you don't get no ads, no disruptions whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool about Twitch and Kick and how they operate in that standpoint. I kind of wish YouTube was the same way, where if you guys, for those of you guys that do, you know, support me, you know, by subscribing to the channel, paying $5-10 a month or whatever it is. I wish they had that perk, bro, where at least the ads were nowhere to be found. That would be cool, all right? Because then you guys could just upgrade and not get no ads at all. That'd be cool. That'd be fire. Let's see. We need to talk about, is the streaming service charging more and them implementing? Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Do we have to watch the ad completely for you to get paid? I don't. I'll get paid more if you watch the entire ad, right? But I still get bits and pieces just for it showing up, right? You get pennies, you know. So yeah, if you watch the entire ad, you do make more money. Absolutely, you get paid more. But again, my intentions, guys, and I appreciate y'all that do want to support me and ask these questions, right? But I don't. I'm truly, and I really mean this. I appreciate y'all for wanting to watch the ads to support me, but that's not my focus right now, right? I'm really not focused on the ads. It's cool. You know, I know that that ad revenue is eventually going to come up, right? You know, the cool thing about it is my life isn't dependent on YouTube, right? It's not dependent off of what I make off of YouTube because I don't make much off of YouTube. What I do make good money off of YouTube, not from the ads, but I do get good money off of YouTube from simply selling the course or the boot camp, right? You know, having an offer to give you guys, which I don't even really promote neither. But that would be the best way for me to make a lot of money is through leveraging an offer, right? Selling a course, selling a boot camp. See, you can make a lot of money doing that. You ain't gonna make that much money doing off of ads, especially with the amount of viewers that we get here. So, but off of the courses in the boot camps, see, then yeah, you can make big bucks doing that for sure. So, but yeah, family, we got the open here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. We got the open. Let's take a look at indices. We got YM falling a little bit on the open here, and I'm not surprised it does. Again, I do think these things could possibly correct here, you know, to the downside, just like what we're seeing now. So US 30's tanking, NASDAQ spiking up a little bit, doing it. I mean, I wanted to see it spike up. You know, if we're able to go ahead and see this thing take out, you know, this lone candle, I think there could be an opportunity maybe for some selling pressure into the market to send us down here. I would be a big fan of that. You know, so we'll see how that continues to play out. The S&P as well is doing very similar to the NASDAQ. Those usually they usually move in unison here. So we'll see how this continues to play out. We'll see. Run a separate live vid, title ad stream. That might be a cheat code, no cap. Run a separate live vid, titled it ad stream, and just hit people with a bunch of ads, right? Let's see, made a quick 1,000 on NAS. Jose, come on now, Jose. Let's go. You are absolutely amazing, bro. You over there eating. Come on now. Let's see. I tagged you on my Facebook story to promote your channel. That's love, Joe. I'm going to share. Let me see. Can I share it? Oh, yeah. I see the tag. I see the tag. Yeah. Shout out to my guy, man. Appreciate you, Jose. See, it's the... let me make sure. Appreciate you, Joel. My apologies. Appreciate you, Joel. See, it's things like that that I mean more, right, than just watching the ads or anything, right? Just supporting the channel and promoting it, spreading it to other people, tagging me on your screens, like tagging me on Instagram and stuff like that. Just doing a little quick recording of me live. That is worth more than anything that I can make off of YouTube. Why? Because it's getting me exposure, right? It's getting me exposure, right? Especially after a day like yesterday, where damn near all of y'all was eating. Like, those are the days where a nice little tag on social media is worth thousands for me. Why? Because again, now you never know. You might be able to influence some of your following to start rocking with me, and now the community is growing. So I truly appreciate that for sure. I appreciate that for sure. They said it was an accident, but I'll take it. Imagine making $1,000 on accident. Yeah, that's crazy. Good morning. What's going on, Lambo Money? Good to see you in the chat, man. All right, let's see. NAS to 17,880. I wouldn't be surprised about it. I wouldn't be surprised. Let me see. What's the difference between current price here on futures? So on futures pricing, the NASDAQ is at 18,460. On Forex pricing, it's at 18,360. So that's about 100-point difference from Forex and future pricing. That's kind of crazy. So 17,900. 17,899. I mean, it's possible. I don't know if we're gonna go that far down, but it is possible. You never know. You never know. It is possible. We'll see. We shall see. Gotta move on. Come on now. I mean, what are you guys in so far, family? Anybody in any other positions as well? Any other W's we could celebrate today? You guys know that's probably like my favorite thing to do, is to celebrate those W's. Is to celebrate y'all accomplishments and y'all wins for the week. I want to be the one that you guys can come to, and you guys know y'all gonna get motivated and inspired and encouraged and pushed to do better, right? So let's see what else we got here, though. Let me see. Family, how many of you guys actually watched the Olympics? And how many of you guys watched the amazing USA basketball team yesterday? What a freaking game against Serbia. Holy moly. There's no way we have Americans in the chat and y'all did not watch no Olympics games this year. What? The Olympics been nuts this year. I've been on it. Matter of fact, do we even have Olympics going right now? Hold on. Who's playing right now? USA, oh, Women's USA from Australia is playing in about an hour. Okay. Yeah. We're definitely watching that. In an hour? Absolutely. What's going on right now, though? Who's playing right now?
And
Oh, some water polo? Oh, this is for the semis, the US? Come on, USA. Come on, USA. Come on. This is like water soccer? Like, what is this game? What is this called? Is this water polo or... I don't know, but either way, come on, USA. Y'all got to win that. Don't play. Don't play. Let me see. What else is here? Are they all showing? Are they all showing the water polo? I think they are. It's Marco Polo. He says Marco Polo. Let me see. I'm trying to see what else is live right now. By the way, family, I'm going to give you guys a little cheat code, man. I highly encourage you guys to save this website. If y'all want to watch every pay-per-view sporting event, hopefully I don't get in trouble for giving y'all that website. But that website will get you any game, any pay-per-view event, anything that you guys can imagine in the sports world. That website right there you can watch. Shout out to Stream East. Just gave you guys a little sauce right there, saving you guys $60 in a pay-per-view fight. You can watch the UFC. You can watch boxing. That's how I watch all my events. True. so that website right there is pretty fire, family. I'm just saying. Hey, you don't gotta use it if you don't want to. If you want to support and pay for those pay-per-views, man, go ahead and do your thing. I'm cheap. I ain't paying for those pay-per-views, bro. Hell nah. I'm sorry. I ain't paying for it. Bro just gave away the sauce. Yeah, nah, Stream East is definitely next level. I'm not even gonna lie. It's crazy. I actually seen a clip of LeBron James, and he even uses this website, which is kind of nuts. Like, bro. Yo, I just really gave y'all the sauce, no cap. But y'all can watch anything. I promise y'all can watch anything you want. Sporting wise, and the cool thing about Stream East too, you can multi-stream too. Like, we can watch 3 things at once. We can watch up to 4 things, I believe. Look at this. Yeah. We can watch 4 things at once. Yo, shout out to the Chinese swimmers, though. The Chinese divers, like, they are next level. Like, how do you do a dive and literally make 0 splash? Like, it's pretty nuts. Like, little ass splash, bro. Yeah, this game was from yesterday, though. You could tell that they're just replaying this one. Because France ended up beating Germany yesterday. I watched that one, too. Yeah, see, now I can't be streaming too much of this because then I'll really get copyrighted. I'll really get copyrighted if I really stream that stuff. No, nah, they might really. There's a thing, right? There's a difference between getting copyrighted, right, which is just like a warning, and actually getting a copyright strike. If you get a copyright strike on your channel, see, now you bugging, right? Because now they could really completely take my channel away, right? And me streaming live sports like that, hell nah. That can get me a copyright strike, so we gotta be careful streaming that. I can't get no copyright strikes. I'll get copyrighted all day for music and stuff. It's cool. You know, I just won't make the money off of the videos. Like, that's the thing too, family, right? And I'm just giving y'all a game, man. I'm really giving y'all a game right now, right? Like, really giving y'all a game, right? Like, dead serious. Like, nobody's ever giving you all this. Like, I promise y'all, ain't nobody gonna be as transparent as this. But this is how it works. yesterday's revenue, whatever I make off of yesterday's stream, and any stream that I play copyrighted music on, I don't make no money off of those. Like I make $0 off of yesterday's stream, but all that money that does get generated off of yesterday's stream goes to whoever's music I played. Right? So me playing, what was the first song I played yesterday? Tay B and Little Baby. That was the song that I was rocking with. They're gonna make the money off of that. All the artists that I played yesterday are gonna make the money that I generate from yesterday's stream because I used copyrighted music. Like that's the game in YouTube, right? That's why you see most streamers and YouTubers don't play popular music unless they're whitelisted, because then you just don't make no money off it. It goes to the people that actually claim the copyright strike or claim the copyright. So that's how this YouTube game works, man. I'm gonna put you guys on, fam. Like I said, I don't care about gatekeeping. I ain't gatekeeping shit. I'll tell you guys exactly how this space works, exactly how a lot of this stuff works. Just because I like to educate. It's my thing. It's my thing, man. Let's see. They pay Snoop 500K. I heard they're paying Snoop 500K a day. That's the wild thing. I heard they're paying Snoop 500,000 a day to be there. Sheesh. Bro, you really mean no gatekeeping? Hell nah. What am I gonna gatekeep for? 116 extra. Let's go, Kyrie. Escobar season is still here. Hey, Chile, I'm doing too much. Free Zone. Am I doing too much, Free Zone? Let me know, Free Zone. Am I doing too much? Am I giving away too much? Am I giving away too much sauce right now? Because I could give you guys a movie website. I ain't gonna go there though. I gotta keep that one in the tuck. Because I don't want that one to go away. I got a movie website. I can watch any movie out there in the whole world. It don't matter if it's the theaters. It don't matter where it is. I'm telling you, I can't give that one away though. I gotta keep that one. I gotta keep that one to myself. Let's see. Abel always been transparent with it. I tried, man. Listen, for me, it's it's a good website. Allows you to be licensed copyright music. This is why I use it. Like the music you're hearing now, right? This is the website that I use. Again, no gatekeeping from Abel. Ain't nobody could tell me that Abel gatekeeps. This website right here, Epidemic Sound, is the actual soundtrack that you guys normally hear. Besides when I go off session, right? But I paid a yearly amount. I think it was like $200 for the year. And now all the music that I play here, I got permission to play. So I can still monetize my channel off of the music here. Okay? So this is why I typically play here, go to my save sounds, and I have a whole bunch of different just instrumentals here that I just play, non-stop with y'all, right? Like the first one is always the first one you guys typically hear when I go live, right? And then it just rotates through all of these, but I'm allowed to play these. Why? Because I paid them, right? So they whitelisted my channel and I'm able to monetize. So now I don't get copyrighted from Epidemic Sound no more because I paid them, right? So to answer your question, Matthew, how them boys react? Most of them don't make money off of it. The ones that do make money are the big channels, right? Like the big channels. Like the ones that usually got like 1 million subs, more times than not, they work a deal out with the record labels to actually get whitelisted, right? If you get your channel whitelisted by a certain artist, then they're not gonna make that money off of it. Like for an example, right? If I was to have a connection with Drake, and I asked Drake, yo, can you have your label whitelist my YouTube channel? They can whitelist me, and now I could play Drake all day long and still make the money that I generate from that stream, right? So, but to be honest, most reacting channels, they're not monetized. And if they are, they're getting pennies. Unless they're able to get big enough to where the record labels kind of need them to react to music to give it more, a little bit of a push. And then the record labels actually let it rock and let them eat. That's why it was such a big thing, right? That's why it was such a big thing when the whole thing with Kendrick Lamar happened, right? And Kendrick is dropping this after this, right? And all these reaction channels are eating off of these. When the whole shit with Drake and Kendrick was happening, like that was the best time, right? Because people are getting millions of views just to react to the back and forth. But the thing that Kendrick did, which was a power move, is he allowed every streamer to actually make money off of that content. He completely whitelisted damn near everybody, which was a power move, right? Which also made more people wanting to react to it because they know that they're going to get their full check, right? So that was a power move by Kendrick. allowing streamers and YouTubers and reactors to actually get paid off of the reactions, which is unheard of normally. Unheard of. So, all right, but let's see what we got here, guys. The Nasdaq is doing exactly what we wanted to, man. We ended up sweeping the lone candle, and now look at 5-minute trigger line entry to the downside. Doing exactly what we want. Now, again, family, don't get upset at me if I don't trade today. Like I told you, I normally don't trade anyways on Fridays because I just have a bad record with trading on Friday. And be mindful also listening to me on Friday. I'll tell you, I don't know. For some reason, Friday's just never been good to me, which is why I typically try to avoid it. But this setup don't look too bad, bro. Again, we swept the 15-minute lone candle. We closed on a 5-minute as a bearish trigger line entry, right? We did sweep some internal range structure as well. So yeah, this don't look too bad. But again, lower your risk, man, because I suck on Friday. So, but it don't look too bad, I'm telling you. We don't get them all closed down. Abel got that Spaceballs movie selection. Can watch movies as they are made. I'm telling you, it's not as they are made, but damn near close. Epidemic Sounds is dope too. Yeah, I'm gonna check what yours is. I don't think I've ever heard of, what is it called? Licked? What kind of name is that though? Licked? Licked is a wild name for this. Welcome to the world's biggest house music for content creators. Damn, see, we can't get like no mainstream artists though. Like Epidemic Sound don't give us access to no mainstream artists. I'm gonna look into that. Let's see. YM is dropping here. The Nasdaq. I assume the Nasdaq will probably drop. The S&P also gave a trigger line entry here to the downside as well. Another sweep of the lone candle on the 15 for the S&P as well. Ended up flipping bearish. Yeah, I mean, these things look, in my opinion, they look very good for sales. But again, I suck on Friday, so take it with a grain of salt. Let's see. I know a friend who did a TikTok dance today, not like us, and got a lot of views. You could have did anything to not like us at that time and got a lot of views just because it was so popular. We'll put you guys on game again around how this YouTube space works, right? The amount of money one makes is not based off the amount of subscribers. There's a couple things that really play into how much you can make on YouTube. The most important thing is watch time, right? And obviously how long the ads are being played and how many ads you put. Right, the cool thing about YouTube, especially when you're creating just regular edited videos, I mean, I could add a bunch of ads. Like I could hit you guys with like 10 ads right now if I wanted to, right? You know, because there's literally, I'm looking at a button that says insert ad, right? So I could technically hit y'all with a lot of ads, which is cool, right? They literally give us the ability to control that. So if you guys are getting hit with 10 ads back to back to back, it's probably because that person is hitting you. Whoever you're watching is literally purposely just trying to monetize the hell out of it, right? So they're hitting you with back to back to back ads, and that's, if you're popular enough, right? If you have enough clout, you can do that, right? Because people gonna sit through those ads, and you'll still be able to make money. But for people that are still trying to come up, that's not the best thing to do. Ain't nobody want to sit through no 2-3 minutes worth of ads, right? So you're gonna lose a viewer. But watch time is one of the most important things when it comes to how much you can make. On top of that, it also comes down to how much your CPM is and your RPM, right? How much you make per 1,000 views. But all that dictates also, or all that is determined based on what you actually teach as well, right? The cool thing about trading and just the work from home type of niche, the entrepreneur, the business type of niche, we get paid the most, right? We get paid the most per 1,000 views, right? As opposed to like a regular everyday vlogger, let's say, I mean, anybody, right? Anybody that's just a regular everyday vlogger doing pranks, things like that, that don't make much, right? They may get a lot more viewers because of the thing, but they don't make much whatsoever, right? They probably get like maybe $5, $6, $7 every 1,000 views. Whereas somebody like my channel, because I'm talking about Forex, trading, business related type of thing, I can get up to $15, $20 per thousand views. Right? So the niche that you're in and what you're actually speaking on matters as well as to how much you can actually make. There are people with 50,000 subs getting 100K a video though that are going to make more than somebody with 1 million subs, right? That's doing like pranks. So yeah, you got to know the game. Once you really understand how YouTube works, you can really start to monetize it like crazy. You got to be patient and build it up. All right, let's see. Shorting YM to 38,650. 38,650. That's all the way below the lows, huh? You want to come all the way back down to the lows. Okay. Wouldn't be surprised by that. I wouldn't be surprised by that. Yeah, I would really like the Nasdaq to close below this level, though, bro. Like, I would really like the Nasdaq to, if a nice strong close below this 18,416 on the futures pricing, I think it could really bring us lower here. Can really bring us lower. Let's see what else we got here, though. What you got planned for the weekend? This weekend. What do I have planned for this weekend? I don't even know. I gotta check with wifey because I really don't know. I know we have something to do. I just can't remember what it is. Ooh. I don't know, man. I mean, what you guys got planned for the weekend, family? Anybody got something interesting planned for the weekend? Anybody got something interesting planned for the weekend? It's supposed to storm some more this weekend, so we'll be chilling. It is supposed to storm, huh? Weather.com. It's supposed to be 80 degrees over here. Let's see what we got for the weekend. 25, humid with clouds, cloudy with a stray thunderstorm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see, 12th wedding anniversary in Hubs 50. Man, let's go. Happy anniversary to y'all. 12-year anniversary. Jeez. Now, Nikki, if you don't mind me asking, how long have you guys been together in total? Right, including before you guys were married, if you don't mind me asking. But family, we gotta drop some W's in the chat, man. Come on now. Drop some W's in the chat, man. Let's show love to our family member, man. Happy anniversary, Nikki and your husband. Tell hubby that the chat said happy anniversary to y'all, man. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Actually, me and wifey's anniversary is coming up next month. Me and wifey's anniversary is next month. Our anniversary is on the 29th. Let me make sure I get this right. Yeah, 29th. She would kill me if I got it wrong. Yeah, our anniversary is on the 29th, man. So we about to go on, what is it, 4 years, 5 years married? Hell yeah. Come on now. But me and wifey been together for mad long, though. Let's see, 2 years before marriage, we were too old to wait according to him. Hey, looks like he got you. Hey, looks like it worked out, though. All right? 2 years before, now y'all 12 years in. Probably 14 years in total. That's amazing, man. What a blessing. What a blessing. Come on now. Yeah, I mean, me and wife have been together for a while, though. Me and wife have been together for also like 15 years. We're going on 15 years as a whole. We were 10 years together before we ended up even getting married, and that's honestly because of me. Right? I didn't want to get married if I wasn't able to give her the wedding that I felt like she deserved. You know, so I prolonged it like crazy until I got a little extra couple dollars in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? And once I had some good amount of money in my pocket, ended up dropping like 40,000 on a wedding. Can you believe that? 30, 40K for a wedding, cash, no loan, no nothing out of my pocket. But it was worth it, man. We had a hell of a good time. But yeah, me and wifey going on 15 years, y'all. That's crazy. 15 years, bro. Seems like it's been forever. It seems like that's so long, but it also, yeah. Let's see, my guy Joel, man, 385, man. Let's go. Come on now, Joel. That's what we talking about, bro. Where to eat? The median amount for a wedding is about 40K. Yep, it really is. Yeah, we spent like 40K. That's just on the wedding, right? The actual honeymoon was a whole nother conversation. Yeah, it was dope though. It was dope. It was good vibes. Real good vibes. Let's see. Congrats on you and the missus. That's love. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah. So again, family, don't be surprised if I don't take anything, man. You guys know I really don't trade fries. I'm just here just to entertain y'all, conversate with y'all. Um, and we'll see what we happen. But the Nasdaq does look solid. It did pull back a little bit, but if we can get a nice close below 18,415, I think that could be very solid for sure. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. If it can continue to drop here. Let's see, man. What we doing here? What we doing here? Let's see. Yeah, this 5 minute about to give another trigger line entry. I'm not a fan of the Nasdaq unless, I mean, I like the direction. I just think we got to get this close below because this support could still very much hold. Like it don't matter if we got the trigger line or not, right? This support could still hold and we could still bounce up. So I would like it if we really got below that level. That would be nice. That would be super nice. Let's see. You heard that Vultures 2 yet? Vultures 2. I did not hear Vultures 2 yet. I did not. I don't know. I haven't listened to Kanye's music in years. I haven't listened to Kanye's music in years. So yeah, no, I haven't. I haven't. Is it good though? Is it some heat? Do you think I should listen to it? Let's see. I'm gonna be bored. I'm just paper trading right now, seeing how the ICT strat script goes on live data. Yeah, that'll be fire, bro. Definitely see how that goes. Let's see. I think we need DJ Abel in the building for the markets to move. I mean, give me some recommendations. You guys know me. You guys know I love my music. Give me some recommendations, man. We could play some tunes. We could play some tunes. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Did the DJ Savage? Haven't heard the whole thing yet, but it's decent. Nothing amazing. Okay. Ocean Spray. You want some Ocean Spray? I got you. Moneybag Yo about to make the money we make off of this stream now. Let's go ahead and feed his pockets some more. The soup came with a masseuse. That mean the cease massage. But when they with a Bobby. This is really one of my favorite songs though. This song is so hard. Can't leave the streets cause I'm deep in. Whether it be big with a season. She called me daddy, my dependent. She demanded. She a little savage like Randy. Said she a little savage like Abel. That be my dog, my Scooby. I didn't get high to the point I look stupid. Driving a Rari today, I feel coopy. You with a street nigga, stop acting bougie. You say you love me, it makes you good. You say you riding, and that's overstood. I left some real niggas in the hood. I bring them all with me if I could. Don't see them with me no more than they blew it. Won't fuck with nobody more than I should. It's a new piece. Yesterday's ice, not today's ice. One show cost a 2-piece. Yesterday's price, not today's price. Big bag. I'm juiced up. Ocean Spray. Hold up. I did up all today. I'm high now, might float away if I was outside now. I'm high now, I'm gonna take it. Some memos gonna pull up and wet you up. What's that? Ocean Spray. Don't give a fuck where you catch him at anyway. He gotta go today. Let's ride now, let's load shit up and go slide now. Can't hide now when they walk down, bustin' that fire now. Come on, bro. Them niggas ain't me, that's another subject. You bitches love me cause they know I'm thuggin', that's for sure. Told me she cry every night about me, I barely tell her thank you, I don't appreciate it. I just wanna burn your head, yeah, cremation, baby. I don't want no relations. I want it, I don't want it, stop, then I'm back on it every day, I'm fighting till 100, stay humbled and hustled and turned into a global sensation. Big speaker, I'm smoking backwoods, counting on Becky, and so far I counted on 120, plus 20 switches and Draco, Glock 10, FN, I want all smoke, 420, go ahead, try it. I'm juiced up, Ocean Spray, I'm pulled up, let's drink some more today. I'm high now, might float away if I was outside now. I'm vibed out, new Cartiers hide my eyes now. Some memos gon' pull up and wet you up. What's that? Ocean Spray. Don't give a fuck where you catch him at anyway. We gotta go today. Let's ride now, let's load shit up and go slide now. Can't hide now when they walk down, bustin' that fire now. I might have just, y'all really gonna turn me up. Y'all gonna turn me up, family. Y'all gonna turn me up, man. Now I'm over here looking at little online DJ equipment. Look at this. Y'all gonna turn me up. Y'all gonna turn me up, chat. Do nothing. Crop top with some bikers shorts. I'm showing off my moose nut. I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your pay. Got a brown skin with dreads. Okay. And a black. Y'all gonna get me going, family. Yeah. Shirt on wet. Who won't smoke? Say what? Get that off your chest. Turned up with my. Turned up with my. Yeah. Turned up my shows. Cause I got the blick. Hey. Fans see me. Hey. Remix. Nah, y'all gonna get me going, family. Come on, man. Let me lock in, man. I'm a day trader, man. I'm not no DJ. Don't let me go. Don't get me going, family. Come on now, family. Don't get me going. I'm a day trader, man. I ain't no DJ, man. Don't get me going. I'm over here start looking up software that I can get crazy with. Yo. You guys are influential. I ain't gonna tell you that. Let's see, put some Rilo on. I can put some Rilo on. Day trader by day, DJ by night. Let's see what we got here. Hit the DEL, the DLLGGs. It's called Free Game by Rilo. Let me see. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put that. Let's load up that Rilo real quick. Let's load up the Rilo. What is it? 81 BPM? Then a week later, they in the same club. Yeah. Niggas block if I get mad by the post. Trapping ain't dead, you know them bats got a post. You wouldn't cut the same bitch who sad by your bro. These women fucking everybody, why would I brag by the hoe? I can't tell my story without putting your ass. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna mess with that later. I'm gonna mess with that later. Y'all really got me looking up DJ stuff. All right, let's see. Abel, I see what you mean about trading on Fridays. I lost the trade. Yeah, I mean, again, I know people that do succeed on Fridays. I mean, honestly, the way that we trade, only targeting 20, 30 points, it's probably not. We can still get some wins, but for me, I just don't. I don't like trading Fridays, man. Just because I normally suck, so I know better to even try. I'd just rather not. I'd rather just chill out and vibe. Oh, that just rhymed. No, I'd be like that. And if you are gonna trade, this is the thing, right? If you are gonna trade on a Friday, right? Because again, there are people that make a lot of money on Fridays, right? I mean, look at we got people in the chat still making money, right? Shout out to that boy Julius, made about 2,700. Come on now, going crazy. Look at you go crazy. Come on, right? So there are people that do. If I do take trades on Friday, I lower the risk like crazy. Right, like that's the thing, right? Like I lower the risk like crazy, right? If I'm gonna take a trade on a day that I know I'm really not the best at, just lower the risk, right? Throw half of your risk. If you normally throw 10 contracts, throw 5. If you normally throw 5, throw 2.5, right? You know, just lower it if anything, if you do want to trade today. All right, so 2 Fridays ago I lost 45. Yeah, that's tough. That is tough. That is extremely, extremely tough. All right, let's see. He said Shorty T-Pain. You brought it back with that one. Boy said play Shorty T-Pain. Oh, nah. This song is crazy old, bro. He said turn my swag on. If you had a good week, you should not trade Friday, in my opinion. From my experience, it doesn't work out most of the time. I'm telling you, Matt. I gotta learn from experience too, bro. I'm telling you. The thing is, me not trading today is officially gonna make me have a negative week. This is gonna be like our first negative week in a while. But yeah, me not trading today or trading yesterday. Yeah, we definitely we gonna end the week negative for the first time in a while. But it's cool. You know, it is what it is. We don't let that get to us. It is what it is. I'd rather be able to come back and still trade another day, man. Instead of trying to just make that back. Let's see. Quick question. Can you trade crypto? Absolutely, you can. You definitely can, for sure. Now, depending on what you're trading, I don't know if prop firms allow it. You'll have to check the rules with the prop firms if you're trading a prop firm. I'm not sure about that. But obviously, if you're trading a personal account, hell yeah, you could trade on the weekends. You could trade whenever, for sure. I also thought about that loss. I needed those funds to pay for bills. I hear that, bro. That's a tough loss, bro. 45K is no, that's a yearly salary for most people. You lost a yearly salary in one day. Like, that's crazy. Let's see, I made 100 off my live futures and ran with my small bag. Hey, Max, we gonna take that, baby. Come on. We gonna take that. Come on, little by little, bro. Again, no rush. You gotta trade for 10 days anyways. You know what I'm saying? You gotta trade for 10 days anyways, bro. So ain't no rush at all. Like, whatsoever. If you could make $200 a day or around it, man, you'll be straight. You'll pass. You'll be able to, yeah, you'll be good. Oh, let's see. What do you think of Blueberry Markets? They got broker-backed payouts too. Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, I wouldn't be opposed to like going with a prop firm that, especially like these brokers that are now launching prop firms. Obviously, Blueberry Markets is like the most recent one. Blueberry Funded is what is actually called, blueberryfunded.com. I'm not opposed to this. All right, I'm not opposed to this whatsoever. All right, because again, it is coming from a reputable broker, right? You're like, you know, Blueberry Markets has always been a very good broker itself. You know that should be able to handle all this. But it seems like every day, guys, right? I'm gonna be honest, right? The forex space when it comes to prop firms is just so sketchy right now to me. Like it's extremely, extremely sketchy, bro. Like another 2, 3 prop firms shut down literally over the past couple days. Right? One of the there was a popular one. There was a popular prop firm that just shut down 2 days ago. Right? A popular forex prop firm. Right, so it's tough, man. It's I personally, again, don't allow my thoughts and feelings to stop you from doing what you want to do. But for me, I just don't feel comfortable with forex prop firms. They're just, unless it's like a my funded FX or a funding pips that is still doing millions of dollars in payouts. But even them, I don't even know how long or how safe they are. So. Hey, brother, how can I get that trading journal? Absolutely, bro. I got you. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make it easier for you guys to access, right? I'm just gonna put a link in the description so that you guys can get that trading journal. So instead of me having to just come here and send it in the chat, I could literally just go and say, hey, yeah, you know, just click the description or it'll be in the description in the chat. Oh, damn, I sent the wrong one, though. Hold on, I sent the wrong one. I sent the wrong one because you guys are not going to be able to do much with that one. Let me make sure I give you the right one. Give me once. I mean, you could use that one, but you have to make a whole copy of it. I see Anonymous Dinosaur on it. Look, I could see when you guys are looking at this one. You guys are just looking at my exact one. Hopefully, you guys are not able to actually edit it because that's why I wasn't supposed to send that one. Because you guys are literally just looking at my exact one that we're currently trading, right? But what you want to do is come here, file, and make a copy. Hopefully, you guys are not able to actually edit this one. Hold on. Maybe make sure that this is not editable because I don't want none of y'all. All right, cool. Yeah, you guys can view it. That's cool. I don't care if you guys view it. But what you guys got to do is just make a copy. Come here, make a copy, create your own, and then obviously you can edit it however you want. So. Yeah, NQ turned around. Again, remember I told y'all, right? Even though we were getting some trigger line plays there on the 5-minute, man, this support was holding strong. That's why I said, like, I would prefer it if we closed below the support and then gave the play, but it never ended up closing the support. It just bounced off, and now it's pushing back up here. So is US 30, and I'm pretty sure S&P's do the same. Yep. Gold. What you doing here, gold? Gold with the rebound, man. I'm liking gold to the upside possibly here. Gold looks pretty solid still. What am I listening to, bro? What the hell is this? Oh, applies. I don't even know what the hell that song was. Here you go. This is my jam right here. This is my jam right here. This is really my song. This is my song of the week. This has been my song of the week, no cap. I played it like 100 times for y'all yesterday. Let's see, switch to another 50K. Let's go, Max. Come on. Funded Peak. Yeah, Funded Peaks is the one that went down. Yep. I think they stopped getting new people. Yep. To be make-believe. I had Cortana and screwed me payouts for 3 months straight. I had Cortana and I never had no issues. But I know everybody's experience is different with Cortana for sure. Yeah, but I ended up running up, I don't know exactly how much I made off Cortana. I think I made like maybe almost close to $8,000 off of Cortana amongst like 3-4 payouts before I lost the account. Great thing is, what sucks is, right, I had Cortana, and I had gotten 3 payouts. Actually, it wasn't for 8K. I think the 3 payouts in total were all for around maybe like 5K. But then I ended up losing that account the same exact month that I qualified to get 100% payouts. That's crazy, right? Because if you're with Cortana for 4 months and you get 4 payouts, after the 4th payout, you get 100% of everything. No more profit split. But I ended up blowing the account that same exact time that I was able to qualify for 100%, which is kind of sucks. I wasn't able to get, I wasn't able to actually get a full payout for 100% profit split, which is nuts. But it happens, man. I never went back to Cortana ever since because they just been having a lot of issues. Cortana is one of those HFT firms, man. Most HFT firms, they go through a lot of problems because they always try to figure out ways to navigate around the meta quotes issue. You know, so. But yeah, I haven't went back to an HFT firm since then. Let's see, what's the update on Trade Journal? Hold on, let me see. Wifey was supposed to send that out. Hold on, let me make sure I get this. I don't even think she did. Hold on. I think, honestly, it's probably my fault. Because I told Wifey, because Wifey likes handling stuff like that, right? Whenever we sent out stuff, so she said she wanted to, but I think I just never gave her your address on accident. So I'm gonna, let me see. Let me make sure I can find your number again. Let me see. Okay, I got it. All right, I found your contact again. Yeah, I'll make sure I send it out today. I got you, Tyson. Honestly, it's probably my fault. I never gave Wifey your address to send it out. That's on me. That's that song that makes you want to make 100K in a day. Yeah, bro, this song made me want to go crazy, bro. 100K in a day with this song right here, man. This song made me want to go crazy. Let's see, markets, very super choppy, man. Gold is doing a lot of whiplashing. Like look at the whiplashing. This should be make believe. Like look at the whiplashing on gold just in the past 2 hours, bro. Like we spiked up, spiked down, spiked up, spiked down. Like these are the type of situations that blow accounts. Getting weirder and weirder. The hotter the pharaoh. I did a big bitch a hearse in a minute. I ain't got a little chick to minute. A hearse in a minute. I ain't been to earth in a minute. But I ain't been to church in a minute. Another 220? Yeah, yo, Joel, you're going crazy, Joel. Come on now. Don't get too greedy now, my brother. Come on. Come on now. You going crazy, Joel. Let's go. You going crazy. Let's go. I mean, now look at indices. Look like they're flipping back down now. Oh, yeah. The NASDAQ looks even better now. Now we took liquidity. Now we just took liquidity here. We got a 3-minute engulfing candle here. Wasn't supported by volume, but now we fully swept the actual long candle. Yeah. I ain't gonna take no trades. I ain't gonna take no trades, family. I'm chilling, man. Like I said, I don't want to force it. I mean, it's not even forcing. I don't want to. All right, Jose, have a great day. Great weekend, my brother. See you on Monday, man. In that play right now for NQ. I mean, hopefully it runs for you, man. I don't know. Hopefully it goes, and hopefully you can make some money. Up 1%? Holy moly, you going crazy. You going crazy. Weirder and weirder. You over there going crazy, man. I ain't take a pretty little church in a minute. Us in a minute. I be high. I ain't been in a minute. I ain't been to church in a minute. That boy going crazy, man. All right, so I mean, I don't think there's much else, family, to be honest with y'all. Cause like I said, I ain't gonna be personally taking a trade. I'm just gonna chill out. I'm gonna take where we're at in this trading account we're trading, and we're just gonna come back. We're gonna come back Monday, and we're gonna do our thizzle, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up off this. Um, yeah, I gotta go for this run. I'd rather get this run out early too, before it turns 11 to 12 o'clock and it gets super hot outside and super humid. So I'm gonna get off this, family. I'm gonna go for my little run, 2 mile jog real quick. And then just come back and just lock in like we always do, man. Just finish the rest of my day chilling out, vibing out, right? Family, man, I appreciate y'all so much. Love you guys for being here with me today. Very chill day. Like I said, I ain't take no trades. I wasn't planning on it anyways, you know. But it's dope to come on here and just conversate with y'all, entertain y'all. You know, at least make the last hour go by a little bit faster for you guys as well. So we'll take that, man. But family, man, I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. If you guys need me for anything, reach out to me via social media. If you have my number, just hit me up on my number, and we'll go from there. All right, family, love you guys. Appreciate y'all, man. Have a great, great rest of y'all day. It's your boy Abel, and I'm out of here. Let's get it.